Congratulations on your purchase of Draper's clutch-operated window shades. Beginning in June 2024, all clutch-operated shades manufactured by Draper will comply with ANSI standards for window shades with hanging chains. This video will show how to attach an inside mount tension chain hold-down. After installing the roller shade, slide the tensioned hold-down device to the bottom of the chain. Pull down on the device until the bead chain is fully tensioned, and then move the tension device up about 1/8 of an inch. Mark the screw hole locations with a pencil and pre-drill screw holes at the marked locations. Finally, attach the tensioned hold down using the 2 large screws provided. Your shade should now be fully functional. If further support is needed, please contact your dealer or Draper Inc. at 800-238-7999.